So this video is about Flutter icons that we can see application icon. For example, we see application in Clash of Clans or PUBG or Mobile Legend. The icon is specific to that application. So how to create that application icon, our custom application image with our custom application image in Flutter. So for that, first you need to go to build a Gradle, then in here search for uh, pubspec.yml, and in here add asset and then your image, and then in here deep dependency add this line Flutter launcher icon, then this no intention, this is also required, else it will not work. And also this intention, that is intention, that is it should be one step front above before front, then STK this line. So this is important one. Then add this line Flutter icons, Android launcher icon. I'm using for Android, so I'm using an icon. So image iOS true image path logo.png. Then after that, and I'm going to copy a code here. That is, after that run this command, that is flutter pop get, and after that go to your Android, then local properties, then add this 3 line Flutter minimum SDK version, target SDK version, and then compile SDK version. Without this line the next command will not be working. So for that, after doing that, type flutter pub run flutter underscore launcher underscore icons. So after that your icon will be changed. But things to remember, that you need to create a folder called assets, then create an image folder as a child, then inside that add a logo.png. In my case I'm using this Pokédex, so use that. Then in your public spec turn this on icon, then dev here in dev dependency add this icon, this one, and then in icons add this line, that is path for your logo and Flutter icons, this line. So after that run this command and then build your APK file.